Outdoor kitchen ideas. All you need to know: you love cooking out of doors and do it as often as possible. Now you have decided that it is time to have your own outdoor kitchen. But where do you start? Just how do you find those great ideas? Believe it or not, the best place to start is with you and your family. Make a list of those things that you feel you will most need in your outdoor kitchen, and then list those things that you think will be beneficial. For example, most families agree a good grill is a must at backyard, but do also want to make breads, pies and pizza out of doors? If so, then you are going to want a wood-burning oven as well. You might even want to include an open fire pit for guests to gather around, a dining set, and of course cabinets and countertops. Once you're armed with your list, then make a budget, considering carefully how much you can afford to pay for that outdoor kitchen. Remember that most solutions run from between $3,000 and $30,000 and sometimes more.